Namaste all. Welcome to question paper pattern SSLC. And in this we are going to see about 2 marks question which is entirely different. In each paper we get different statement or paragraph. And this we need to edit and write. That is, we need to find the errors, the mistakes. There will be 2 mistakes and we need to find them and then correct it and rewrite the paragraph. For these mistakes we have 2 clues also, shall we? Let's look into what main it is. This is main 3 and in this we can read the instruction, and the instruction goes this way. The following paragraph has 2 errors. Edit the paragraph and rewrite it in the answer book, and it is for 2 marks. Let's see this. Main 3, question 17, and this is a paragraph or a sentence. It can be a paragraph or a sentence or 2 sentences, compound sentence, simple sentence, anything. But here this example is taken from the lesson itself. The name of the lesson is There's a Girl by the Tracks. The clues that are given, they are given in the question paper itself. Clue A, capital letter. We need to find out which has to be capital letter, but it is in small letter. And next is spelling mistake. We need to find out the spelling mistake. If we ask our children open the textbook and find out, it's easy for them to find out the spelling mistakes and the capital letter. But here, just like that, let's see. As Baleshwar. Baleshwar is a proper noun and it has to be in capital letter. So here Baleshwar is in small letter, which has to be capital letter. So this is capital letter mistake. And next is spelling mistake. As Baleshwar is a proper noun, even if it is SW, it is okay. When one mistake is found out, then there will not be any other mistakes here. Boarded spelling is correct. The, train, home spellings are correct. He, pondered. Now we need to look into this one. Pondered. The spelling is pondered. And here the spelling mistake is that instead of A, we need to write E. So it is pondered. Both the mistakes are identified and they are written near the clues. But this is not enough. The instruction says that the following paragraph has 2 errors. Edit the paragraph and rewrite it in the answer book. So after editing, after identifying the mistake, then we need to rewrite it. You could see here, just changed it, and it is as good as rewritten. Being a sentence taken from the lesson, it's easy to find out the mistake and rewrite it. Let us give the children practice of these kind of sentences to begin with. And in later stages, we will ask them to do the other kind of mistake corrections. This is from the lesson, so it's easier. Suppose if it is from non-textual, just putting the mistake in it and making us to identify grammatical mistakes, verbal mistakes, adverbal mistakes. So let us see 1 or 2 examples with those. Let's take a look at this example. Let's read question number 17. On and on, let's keep reminding the students that This is question number 17. An old woman was selling vegetables from door to door. Because of the hot sun, the woman is thirsty and tired. Maybe when I read it and when you saw the sentence, you would have identified. But for our students, it will be very difficult. For some, it may be easier. For some, with the clues, they may be able to find out. For some, it is very difficult until and unless we give them continuous practice with like this kind of sentences. Let's see here. Let's read the clues. Spelling mistake. What could be the spelling mistake here? Let's see. An old woman was selling vegetables from door to door. Fine. The first sentence has nothing wrong in it. Because of the hot sun. What sun? Which sun? So here we need to get clear that this is S-U-N, sun. Okay, that is the spelling mistake. These are homophones, pair of words which has same sound but different spelling and different meaning. So one mistake, spelling mistake we have found out, so that is over. Now, verbal mistake. There are verbs in these two sentences and we found that there is no mistake at all in the first sentence, but still there is a connection with this verbal mistake with the first and the second sentence. Let's read again and let's find out what are the verbs. An old woman was selling is the verb. And let's see in the second sentence which is the verb. Because of the hot sun, the old woman is thirsty. Now, they have already asked us about verbal mistake and we need to compare. This is actually a past action of the old woman said to us. That means the action is already finished which took place in the past. The word was says that this sentence is past, whereas here it is. So it needed to be changed. Is must be changed to was. Now the sentence. Let us read the sentence now. An old woman was selling vegetables from door to door. Because of the hot sun, the woman was thirsty and tired. So this should be rewritten in their notebooks for practice, and we must insist them to rewrite the paragraph in their answer books. So this is about main 3, question 17 from the question paper pattern. Let's see in yet another concept. Thank you. Keep watching. Bye-bye.